Hi, I'm going to talk a little bit about how you might consider developing a hybrid, flipped, or blended class. And there's a lot of terminology out there which is really trying to describe a course that includes both a face-to-face component and an online section. One of the ways to get started is to take a look at a current class, or even thinking about a class you want to develop, and be able to identify each of the modules that you're trying to teach. What are the outcomes? What are the goals for each of the course modules that you want to assess and deliver? And when you're thinking about your class, you want to look at the strengths of a face-to-face encounter. And what we're moving towards with a blended class is using the face-to-face time as more of a studio component, hands-on demonstration, really capitalizing on the human interaction, our ability as kinesthetic learners to have spontaneous brainstorming, to show demonstration, and to have some collaborative work that can really happen best in a physical space. And then you look at modules and you say, well, actually, it would be more effective if we delivered this part online. Because in an online environment, you have the opportunity to take advantage of some of the technology. So you can do grade books, you can do quizzes that are self-assessing, and students can use discussion forums to engage with each other. And one of the beauties of that is that you have a transcripted learning. And as a teacher, you can read the transcripted discussions and actually pull out new themes that you might want to tackle online. You can use an immense amount of resource online, media, sophisticated media, to enhance the content that you're trying to deliver. Also online, students can often use these tools in a self-paced manner, and there's not as much pressure for them to keep up with faster-paced learners that occurs maybe in a face-to-face. So the best thing to do if you're going to consider developing a hybrid or blended classroom is first be clear about each of the modules and what you hope to achieve in your whole curriculum, and then look at each one and decide, is it better served? Are you going to do a more effective job as a face-to-face environment, or is it going to be stronger in an online environment? And LERN does a great job of getting into more depth with those things, and so we hope that you're going to join us in one of our sessions developing hybrid courses.